For this hair bonnet, I'm going to use this Ankara fabric here, elastic band, and satin. And this fabric I'm using here that I've already cut out is now up to 1 yard. So I'll first of all fold our fabric into 2, then fold again, making it into 4. This is it. So now you start taking your measurement from this edge here. So I'll be using 12 inches here. It depends on how big you want yours to be or how small you want yours to be. You can use more than 12 or 11 inches or 10 inches. Now I will measure this 12 inches round. Connect it. This is it. I'll go ahead and cut it out. Here is it. When you open it, it will be like this, a circle. So I'll use this one and place on top of this satin here that I'll use. Also cut the same thing. Here I've cut out the satin that I'll be using. Now you place this one. This is the right side, to the right side of this fabric. So here is the wrong side. Here is the wrong side. I'll go ahead and sew. And this 12 inches I cut out is together with the joining allowance, with the seam allowance. So I will go ahead and sew it round here with 1/2 inch. For the band, I will use 65 inches because I want mine to be long. So I will measure out 65 inches. And for the wideness of the band, depend on how you want yours to be. Mine, I will use 3 inches. Fold my fabric like this. Measure 3 inches, add 1/2 inch for seam allowance, making it 3.5. I will now go ahead and cut out 3.5. Here is it. 65 inches long and 3.5 inches here. I'll now go ahead and sew it. And when you are sewing, don't forget to leave a space where you will turn it from. For this one also, when you are sewing round, leave like 2 inches open where you will turn in. This is it. Here is where I left 2 inches where I'll be turning it. So I will turn on this place. Here is it. I've turned this to the right side. Now for this strip here, I've joined it together using 1/2 inch, and at this edge I went in by 2 inches or 1.5. So I used 2 inches here. After sewing like this, you open it like this. Here you go in by 2 inches, then sew down here. So this is what I did. I will now cut out where I left 2 inches where I'll be turning it from. So I will use my scissors or anything you can turn with and turn it. Here is it. This is the 2 edge. So now I'll go and give them a good press with my iron. I've ironed them. This is the band I'll be using for it. Now to insert our band, our elastic, you measure around your head like this. Here is 21 inches. Now cut out elastic of 21 inches here. Here is 21 inches. I'll cut it out. This is our 21 inches here for our elastic. To insert it, here you measure 1 inch round. Now connect it round. I'll finish marking the 1 inch round. I'll go to my machine and sew on top of this line that I marked here. This space here will be where our band will be. Here is it. Our 1 inch here. I will insert our elastic from this hole that I left here. Use your safety pin. This is it. For this place, you join your elastic like this. Sew this end and sew this end. You can hold it with your hand needle. See how I hold our elastic band. Now tuck it in. For this place that is open, you fold this one in, fold this one in, and stitch on top like this. Here is our bonnet. You can choose to attach your band to this bonnet by folding it into two. Fold into two. Then attach somewhere here. You can sew here if you want to attach it to this bonnet, or you can hold it with a button or a hook. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Please do not forget to subscribe. To subscribe, just touch on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that you get a notification once I upload new video. See you guys in my next class.